Hi, Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. My name is Muhammad Arif Al-Amin. I will show you how to create a shapefile using QGIS and also determine the area and the circumference of the shapefile that we have created. So now let's move on. First of all, we need to create this file for our QGIS. First, we need to go to our QGIS file in our laptop. And for my case, I save this file for the QGIS in particular test 1. And in this particular test 1, we have a raster and vector file. So in raster file, we have IPOH atmospheric correction, IPOH clip file, IPOH original file, IPOH reprojected file, and IPOH shape file. So for my case, I've been given the task to analyze and create the shape file of IPOH city. So moving on to the QGIS software. First, we need to open and launch the QGIS. Now I will choose a new project. After opening the QGIS, we need to set up the map for our QGIS. So we need to go to the web, pick service, and choose OSM standard. So the OSM standard will appear like this, our map, and then we need to scroll to our targeted location, which IPOH city. So after scrolling our targeted location, we need to set the coordinate reference system, which in my case, if IPOH is located in Perak, so I will choose Perak grid, then click apply, okay. And then what we need to do is we need to go to the layer tab and then create layer and select new shapefile layer, and a pop-up will appear. So the first thing is we need to go to this three dot and IPOH shapefile. So I will rename it as shapefile and then click save. Next, need to make sure that our file encoding is set to UTF-8 and the geometry type is polygon. And then for the additional dimension, we choose project CRS for Perak grid, and we don't need ID, so we remove this one. Next is we need to type in the new field. We name it as area because we need to find the area of our location, and we choose for precision, and we need to add the file. After that, we need also circumference, and also the type and length and position is also the same. Then click OK. And now to start the shape file, we need to choose this pencil button and then pick add polygon feature. Now we can start plotting IPOH. After we have done plotting our targeted location, press the right click button on your mouse, and then it will pop up our area and circumference. So we don't have any area and circumference because we don't know yet. So we just need to OK. And then what you need to do is we need to save polygon shape that we have plot with, deactivate the toggle editing button. So it will ask us to save. And now we have completed our polygon and can change the properties of this polygon, where we can go to the properties and add the symbology, click the simple fill, and we need to choose transparent, and so color is black. And for our cases, we need to choose the swap width 1.0. So click apply and OK. We need to do some correction to our polygon shape file. We go to the toggle editing and select vertex tool. So as you can see, we can do some correction here to make our point more accurate. So we get the correction like this. And then we need to save this. And then we need to determine the area and circumferences of this shapefile. So what we can do is right click and click open attribute table. We need to open the field calculator and then we need to put the output field name. So we need to find the area. So change this to decimal number here, and then we just set it is as default, and then we need to click geometry, double click area. Area is 178,426,233. So this is in meter. So we just need to divide by 1,000 to make it kilometer square. Then click OK. And as you can see here, our area will be 178,436 kilometer square. And now we need to repeat the same step as before, but now we will type in circumference IPOH. So we need to go to the geometry and search for the perimeter. And now we have found our area for the IPOH and our circumference for the IPOH city. So after we have done, we need to save this file in our file that we have created. For my case, I will save it in particular test 1, raster, and then go to IPOH shapefile. So I will rename this file as IPOH shapefile particle test 1. And now we have done creating our shapefile and determining the area and circumferences of our target location, which is in my case for IPOH city. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.